I'm Sam and today I'm going to be showing you guys my room and giving you guys a room tour as it was requested on my Instagram. If you guys want to follow that, the link will be below, and I hope you guys enjoy. So starting off, we have the entryway into my room, and then we have my calendar, which is Disney themed. Oh, 18 days. Today's the 29th, I think, so that means it's 17 days to my birthday. Oh. But this is the room. I love it, and I love my desk. So up here I have my teddy bears, but in there I have my shorts, and then underneath I have my activewear and my swimmers, and then underneath that I have all of my scrunchies, and then I have my makeup. Well, my leftover makeup, the makeup that I don't use that much. And then in here I have all of my face masks, toiletries, and my other skincare. Then in here I have all my bras, bralettes, and undies. In here it's just my personal drawer. I have my tablets, perfume, what the hell is that? Deodorant, that's what it is. Underneath that I have my pajamas, and then I have my long sleeves and track pants. Last drawer is just my other schoolwork. Now on to Nathan's side. The cool thing about these cupboards is that when you can fold them, and then there's me in the mirror, and also on the other side as well. We have the mirror on this side, and the mirror on that side. This is Nathan's clothes. At the bottom he has his shorts. Then in there is all his personal stuff. Up there is a photo of us. There's a photo of us, a photo of us, another photo of us. That's when we went to Sydney together. And behind there is some more random stuff in there. My nail polishes are in this one. I have to make this. I want to put this on my wall hanging of leaves, which I love. I've got to put that up. So in the pink box is all my Lush bath bomb, my other stuff. That back up. Anyway, continue on with the toxin. First drawer is undies. Second drawer is activewear, I think. Is long pants. And that's pajamas. Yes, I did ask Nathan before filming this if I could film his closet, and he said yes. That's why I'm filming. I'm not just filming because I want to. Oh, by the way, these are the mirrors that I got from Target, I think. They're the ones that were in my vlog. If you guys haven't watched that vlog on me renovating my room, you should probably go watch that. I'll leave that in the description, and it'll also be up there. I literally don't know which way is the right way, but anyway. So now moving on from the wardrobe, we have my bedside table. Not my bedside table, this is Nathan's bedside table. Which we have matching ones, but his has the salt lamp on it. And this candle from, I don't know, I think it might be from Bath and Body Works when we went to Sydney. That's from Kmart, I'm pretty sure. But I think it's really cute having the leaves and the greenery. That's like literally my favourite thing at the moment. I haven't got anything to put up there yet, and because I need to repaint the walls before I do that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get someone to do it for me. But this is my bed. That's actually my diary 2020. It's really cute. I have a throw rug on it. Then this is the basket things that we got for all our shoes. So that's Nathan's shoes in that one. Then over on my side, you can see my favorite hanging plant, which I love. And then this is my side. You can see my phone, my Google. Hey Google. And then I have another plant, which is beautiful. And then on my windowsill, I have these other little plants, which is so cute. And then we have my desk. Has a little mirror, which is so cute. I love my little mirror. And then I have these flowers, some leaves, have all my makeup brushes in here. Then I have all of my jewellery. There are my earrings. They're my other earrings. They're all my special ones that I wear most of the time. There's necklaces, more earrings, and my bracelets. Actually, my favorite thing about my new room is that I have a makeup drawer and I can sit here and do my makeup. So this is my makeup drawer. I did show it in my last one, but I didn't explain how it's set out, so I've set it out from my primer all the way in order on which I do my makeup, and then just setting spray. This would be just my everyday look makeup, but I have all my other makeup and stuff in my other cupboard, which you guys saw. And then next to my desk is this plant, which I love as well. I literally love plants. Like, plants are my favorite thing. I love the aesthetic of plants. I still want to get more. But right now I still want to get a few more things in my room. I want to get a mirror to go there, to have a bigger mirror, like a big circle mirror there. And then I also need to put my TV up there, which is in the other room. So this is the TV that used to be in my old room. Well, it still is in my old room, but I need to get that TV and move it into the other room. But this is what the office area is looking like at the moment. We also got fish. I don't know what it's called. If you guys have any name suggestions, leave them down in the comments. It has one black eye and one yellow / orange eye. Anyway, so this is my old room. This is where I used to be in, and that's why the TV is still in here, because I still need to take it over. This is my room tour, and my room is bigger than what it used to be, but it's not the biggest. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching me and still supporting me. I really appreciate you guys subscribing and liking my videos and commenting. But this is basically it. This is my room. This is how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you guys know when I post a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!